Good morning, sir. My name is Calvin Taberna from In 240. The title of my spoken poetry is Ups and Downs. This is my voice, which Kiss said, and the administration said of with head. Assemblies about injustice, but I still don't see justice. 7 years I walked through these hallways, I still don't understand the ways by which they judge right from wrong. You can give a speech or write a song, but don't say the two words that are his name, like Voldemort, he who must not be named. Teachers in one direction, students in another. Can't wait to just get out, we say to each other. People used to think was the bomb, but now no one even listen to the bomb. It doesn't matter if you're the worst, just don't speak out of plead the first a real world experience. What did we just experience? A public shaming of courage. The filled the student's body with rage as applause turned to jeers. Nothing else you called here. 1 week left and this is how we go out. Not in agreement but in short shouts, just like a good dream that turns bad. But not no one sad. Instead, people are angry at now. But no one sad. Instead, people are angry at how this year's turned out to be freedom of speech a fantasy, a long forgotten memory of way things should be. The way things should be. Do you remember all love and cheers when Dan Lima in his pink expandex appeared? When bodies gorgeous made fun of some snows. What Whitman thought about girls and how they pee. Hockey skits. Greenman, Snow Day, predictions with Delaney. In the seniors room watching Tranis duke it out on Maui. I bet each one of us our own funny was sorry when found did the raffle shuffle one fine day, and hearing all the goofy stuff the people say.